Hello, hello,
Oh, you're
hello,
signing. You're
hello.
signing on my own. So you're in like a pro account. You get as much as you want. No problem.
Okay, it's working. Do you
Perfect.
just want to share this everywhere? Can you just do it? Just
Well,
yeah,
screen because I can see this stuff. Whatever.
just do it. Bro. Guys, so from compared to yesterday, uh, tell me who's new today. So that's one. Number two, somebody else. Okay, three are new. Did you do you know what we learned yesterday? No. Okay, nobody. So it's online as live streamed. Yesterday, what we learned was um, how do you use artificial intelligence to create marketing campaigns, right? So I'm just giving you a primer so that you can go on YouTube and look it up as like shown properly. um, what we did was we chose like a business that you would like to set up, right? Could be a coffee shop, could be anything, right? Somebody wanted to do a skateboard business. We then asked ChatGPT that this is my business, create a 4 week content calendar, right? So for the modern coffee shop, what it showed was you should, because it's a coffee shop in modern, just do like a campaign and have like free coffee along with the bagel in the morning, right? Center the campaign around it. So it created a content calendar with like daily posts for the next 4 weeks, right? And then
Can you
for
see?
each of those posts, we took the caption and we put it into Gemini to create the images along with the posts. We took the image, we took the caption, we scheduled it on the content calendar on Facebook Planner. So essentially demonstrating it takes you 1 hour to think, start a business, and also plan your entire month's content calendar, right? So if you have a 9 to 5 job, you're doing Monday to Friday, maybe even Saturday, right? For the hard workers out there, you can take 1 hour out of Sunday to set up a 4 week marketing calendar for the business that you want to do. That's how easy it is, right? That's what today what we're going to show is, let's say you've done the business, like this is what I said yesterday. There's no point in building an app if you don't know how to sell it, which is what we learned yesterday. There's no point knowing how to sell something if you can't build it, right? So these two master classes would introduce you to building and selling stuff, right? So that's all that it is, and I hope you guys like it. Go ahead, you want to start?
All right. So I guess you had to kind of recycled yesterday. Eh? You
Yes.
already did yours
Yeah.
yesterday. So, well, just to make sure, remember, ChatGPT, we use that to plan, you guys. Remember that? We created a design, like a social media push, a social media strategy. We went to Canva, we went to different templates. Doesn't matter if you're a food truck, if you work at home, or if you actually have a medium-sized business, right? It can actually have tens of thousands of templates for you guys. You'll be able to schedule your Meta, or if you want to use Buffer too. Buffer is the bigger expansion for your ecosystem. LinkedIn, Google Suites, X account, right? These are all good platforms to be able to get exposure on, right? But Meta is really focused on Instagram and Facebook, WhatsApp, its whole Meta ecosystem. And then obviously engage Instagram or Facebook as well, right? Actually directing it, auto replies. Remember that, right? Your comments, buzzwords or keywords to be able to get those comments and to be able to have those auto replies for your customers. All right. And so then, yeah, yesterday we did this. Today, we'll make a website. Okay. Why this business needs a website? Why your business needs a website? To be found online, obviously, right? Most customers search before they shop. No website, invisible, right? Plain and simple. Saves you money, just like we are speaking earlier. Skip hiring costly developers. ChatGPT, $20 a month, or tens of thousands of dollars for a web developer, right? It's easy math. Obviously, you want ChatGPT that can probably have a better response and alter your decision making just because of the knowledge it holds, right? Look professional, simple, clean websites build trust. Very simple, right? Remember how people like to read? It's always to the left, to the right, right? Psychology. So you're able to have, a good structure. Better the structure, the better you're going to get more engaged. The better you're going to keep somebody longer on your website. Okay. Go mobile. This is really important, you guys. Not everybody's going to have a laptop. Everybody has a mobile, right? That's like probably 80% of society has a cell phone to be able to explore you guys' business. So we're going to create an app for your business to be able to make it a lot more accessible. All right, everybody with me? Any questions so far? Kind of go fast a little bit and get great. Yeah. What about back there? You good? Yeah. Okay. Good. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. So this is the toolkit, you guys. This is Replit. Okay. Replit. Build and preview your website. Hands-on coding, but simple templates. You guys don't need to code here. Okay. So literally put in your ideas or your attributes, your characteristics of your business, and putting it into the AI model. Then it will codify it in the background, right? Simple. Then you'll be able to use that through ChatGPT, generate a website, product descriptions about us, right? If I wanted to make a website about Airbnb, about dogs, like it's going to have booking, it's going to be about pets, it's going to be about hosting other people's animals or something like that, right? And about us. So what's our cost structure? All that type of stuff. The ChatGPT can do that instantaneously. And if you want to go on Canva, you guys already know there's a lot of templates there to be able to produce those images. Okay.
Just so that it's clear, what we're doing is whenever you're doing software development, you need a couple of things. You need the architecture of the app. The architecture of the app is essentially like what is the app going to do, right? So let's ask the audience, right? Who wants to build an app here? Somebody has a business idea, right? Do you? Okay. Can you talk about what do you want to build?
Okay, I want to build a website. I like to build a website to really showcase my business. What I do, we sell security products. We sell CCTV cameras, alarm system, home automation system, and we want to try to see how we can build a website. Not only the product, we also do the solution. We install. So what I like to do, I like to build an aspect where I can actually sell the product and where I can actually do a quote.
You can code.
Quote.
What
Quote.
about you management? What about how many security cameras are installed? Are they
Definitely, it has inventory. There must be inventory there.
Yeah,
yes.
we can do inventory. On
Yes.
the app.
Yes. So, what was your question, please?
So I was just a second. Hey guys, please get yourself set up.
What was?
Yeah. So the question was, so you said you want to sell stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So just for the people who know, these guys have a security business, so they install CCTV cameras, so on and so forth. They want to build a website, and the website should have
Our solutions, what we do.
What you do. People should be able to buy it using credit card. What I mentioned was we could also do management, so whether the camera is active or not, how many cameras do you have installed. I know you must be installing other people's apps and other people's cameras. So we could integrate it together. We could figure out a way to do it. So that's what the app should do. Now, what I'm talking about is software architecture, right? And architecture would mean what is the home page, what all different attributes should the home page have, what technology should be used, right? So the architecture of the app, you talk about the app to ChatGPT, and then it will output the architecture to you. We can show you how it's done. Can you open the ChatGPT? So just open the Modern Connect one.
The Modern Connect one?
Yeah, go to ChatGPT here and last one. Yeah, this one. Go up.
All the way up?
Yep. So look at my prompt. I did it a bit hastily today morning. But what I wanted to do was, this is Brown's idea, and he's actually going to see it through. It's he wants to build Modern Connect. It's like a platform where, think of it like Facebook, but for people in modern, right? So you have jobs, you have, if somebody's going to Winnipeg airport, coming back, whatever, you can put stuff there. If there are events that are happening, the Facebook group in the No Modern, whatever is happening there, right? We want to move it to this app and more, right? Because it's a city app and it's like Facebook, but just for modern, right? And what I wanted to do was, I was like, I want to create a software architecture for Replit. I want to tell ChatGPT that I want you to create this software architecture for the app that I want to do. It's a very small prompt. I would recommend you not do that, right? You should have a bigger one to explain what you want to do. Making Modern Connect a web app where people can connect with each other and do social stuff like a social media app, right? So I've given it a reference of use a software architecture for a social media app, import it into this. Ask me, this is very important. I always tell the AI, ask me questions if you have a doubt. because it has a problem where it confirms biases, right? ai will AI thinks it's the smartest thing alive on earth, and imagine like it's an eccentric kid who thinks that it's never wrong, right? That's what AI is. So you need to tell AI, ask me questions if you have before you implement this, right? So then it came up with the architecture. If you want to scroll down, it chose the, if you see here, this is all technical stuff. It shows what sort of frameworks to use. So it's using Next.js. You guys don't need to worry about it. It's choosing the database and all of that. Then what are the features that we want, right? So it's profiles, avatar, bio, interest, posts, text, image should be there. Engagement, people should be able to like, comment. This chat GPT has come up with all of this, right? You don't need to do it. You just need to be able to build the prompt so that you can ask ChatGPT exactly what you want. Engagement, DMs. So DMs is direct messages. One, group chats. The functionality should be there. Community boards, events, jobs, housing, ask modern, buy and sell, simple, classified, right? Moderation. So people should be able to report content, right? Think about it. For you to come up with all of this, it would have taken you at least 6 hours to sit and come up with all the features that you want in the app. But it came up with those features for you on its own, right? So if you see, then it also did a lot of like technical stuff. How does it want to do user management and all of that? So you go down. I just copied this prompt from there. Just go up. I copied the prompt, and then it also told, just go at the end of the first prompt. Yeah, this one. Yeah. So what I did was I copied this prompt, I put it into Replit. I'll go there later. But what I also wanted to do is the app needs to have some boilerplate content, right? For it to look pretty, right? So I said research modern and make content for the app too, right? So it came up with like, okay, this is the population. We've had 27% increase in population growth thanks to the city from 2011 to now, right? And then what is the age structure? 20% are children and all of that. Came up with all of that, and then it's like created content. So if you go down, just scroll a little bit down, it's created all of these contents of like, okay, there are some local stories and all of that. I copied this as well. Then I went to Replit, right? And I want you guys to do it after we do it together, after we do one run. So go to Replit.
Right here.
Yeah. So what I did was,
Preview.
just give me one second. Yeah, this. So I put the ChatGPT prompt into Replit, and this is what it came up with, right? I said, this is the content, this is the software architecture, put it all together and come up with a web app for me, right? So it came up with this app where you have like corn and apple, like because I asked it to research and make the content, right? So it knew about events and festivals, jobs and careers, what type of like businesses are there, like talked about modern co-op, boundary, trails, health, and then housing and classifieds is already there. You have community groups, agriculture, food, culture, and discovery. There's a lot of functionality which like sometimes like you need to figure it out, like how it is working if it's not and all of that. So like this is if you see the request is like invalid auth, but you need to talk to it and like get it to like work for you, right? So I just want to pause here and try to understand, did you guys get what we did here, right? Do you have any questions till now? Yes.
While you're telling ChatGPT the prompt, how do you explain the kind of templates you need? Or it just generates its own templates?
It just generated it.
So what about if you don't like the template?
You can edit it. Edit to change it.
How does you know what kind of template you have in your mind?
So
Is there any way you can explain, or we can verbally tell him, okay, put this here, put this here?
Yep.
Just
I can actually give it to give it to Brown because he's the one who did a lot of the modifications. Go to your like Modern Connect app, the one that you have. So we actually built two different versions of it because like, I was like, I can do better. He's like, no, I can do better. So like, yeah, a little bit infighting. So he actually like talked to ChatGPT for a week to like fix his version. right?
Mhm.
So he did what like somebody like the question that you had, right? So but the way I would answer it, because I'm a very technical person, right? He's creative, I'm technical. I would go and I would find another website. I would just say copy this because they must have done a better job than me.
Yeah.
100%.
You know,
Yes.
I do that too.
Yes,
I don't just use one website.
I would use 5 references.
I would just think about if I want to do anything, I could go to about 10 websites.
Yes,
When we changed our website 2
Yes.
years ago,
yes.
you know how many websites I went to? 50 websites.
Wow, 50
Then,
websites.
Yeah. After going through the 50 websites, then we built our.
Perfect. Wow.
So that's the same thing I would tell
Cost
them.
effective.
Copy this, copy this, copy this. Just
This is what he came up with. Like look up like his website has like a full social feed.
Yeah.
You can have community events. Like he's also generated based on the cultural outlook of the city, like images, right? You have like people of all colors, races, like here, and then you have a newcomer meetup, you have calendar, you have job opportunities, right? All of this, and like he actually promised me like I'm gonna release this, I'm gonna make it work. So
100%.
like we want this to work. If you see like this is actually how much it costs to get stuff rented around here. Room is 600, 700. Apartment is 1100, 1500, right? So it's like actual pricing. So this is, I always like to tell people what we can build at the end of the class, right? So you guys know it is worth concentrating on what we're doing now, right? So this is where we can get to if we all concentrate, right? So the first thing is we need to make sure all of you have ChatGPT and Replit on your PCs, right?
Yep.
So go to chatgpt.com. We'll check everybody's
Yep, I
laptop.
got you.
And
Take a few
we'll go
minutes
to,
as well. For people
Sorry?
on live. No, I'm just fine. We'll take a
just,
few minutes. With
whoever you're talking to, take this.
After we start, eh?
Whoever you're talking to.
Yeah, it's gonna restart. Yeah, ChatGPT. I'll let you go into mine account. Replit. That one, Replit. REPLIT. And then should be able to. Yes. Probably have to do that restart. See if you can go on here. Yeah. This might work. Canva, no, that's a different one. Canva is a templates, but it works really well. We did that yesterday, and so then it's Canva is like a templates of different. Yes. You guys probably want to share this one because you're already in. Yeah, you start. Yes, adult. Yes.
Good. Can you? I need help. Perfect. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈਗਾ
You want me to sign it?
Replit and
Yeah,
ChatGPT?
sign it.
Oh, perfect. Do you have it?
and good to go.
Oh my God.
How you guys
Dude,
doing?
amazing. You have Replit ChatGPT all sorted?
Have you built a website before?
Okay. That password I don't know, but I can help you go to ChatGPT and Replit. You guys have it sorted? Oh, the Wi-Fi is there.
Oh, really?
Oh, okay,
No,
okay,
right
okay.
here.
Okay.
This is your developer. Mm.
As we're setting up
This is
laptops,
gonna help you.
I want everyone to think about what they want to do,
Awesome.
right?
No, don't
What
say
app
that.
they want to develop,
Yeah, 100%.
kind of business you want to do, app that you want to develop. Think about it.
Sign into mine. Or this is
Think,
even
yeah.
better.
Can I ask everyone?
Finish yours. Anybody using this? Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. How you doing? You're good? You're good? Didn't go through? You might have to share this one. Because it's, yeah. What's your name?
Adonis.
Adonis? Brown Eagle. Good to meet you. Yeah, this one's not.
Yes,
sorry, bro.
correct.
Let's.
You just log in.
I'll get this out of your way.
Correct.
My own.
You can do it if you want. Bro, Replit, do you want to log in with your stuff?
Yeah, I
Okay.
can log in everything.
Okay, they log in with their stuff. It's fine. Whatever. It's okay. हाँ जी जी.
मैंने दिया इसमें एक कॉफी शॉप का बनाना.
Yeah.
नहीं तो अब ये आ रहा 2 है. build the entire app
Yeah,
or start
yeah.
with the
Have you
design?
built a website before?
We can choose to start with the design and then build the entire app so that you can see how it looks,
Okay.
right? But it would take like
Oh, really?
20
Oh,
minutes
beautiful.
in any
beautiful.
case scenario, right? So you start with the design and then,
Simple command.
yes.
And then what did you make yesterday?
Yes, sorry.
Often use that.
Oh, really? Okay, so you're already ahead of it. Okay, cool, cool. You guys are good? You good?
I'm ready to go.
Awesome, bro.
But how do you want to change it?
Replit, REP.
You have to tell it. How do you want to change it?
I'll sign up for you too.
Mhm.
Oh,
If you don't do it, getting AI to do work for you, you will
I'm
not
signing
like
up
it.
for you.
You have to be very specific. Yes. Being specific is the name of the game.
Perfect. Yeah, no problem. You guys are good? You guys are good?
In the app where like there's lessons of how to make like visual arts and everything.
Visual arts. Yeah, yeah. That's
Lessons on it.
TV lessons?
Like lessons on the apps.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Like, yeah, yeah. There's YouTube videos and stuff like that.
Yeah, like
Yep.
that.
Or like
Good.
tutorials.
Everybody has it?
Yeah.
tutorials.
Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Good. You guys are good? You're good?
Good.
Go ahead, get in there, get in there.
In there? Okay. I'm going to start from the back this time. Do you guys have what you want to build? What is the business that you chose? Yes.
I'm trying to build a website for a coffee shop, but I'm using the idea of yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah, I have given a command in the chat GPT to build a website for
What
a
are you
coffee
building?
shop where the people can see
Be
online the
creative,
menu
anything.
and they
Are
can
you in
also
school? Are you
order
trying to help out maybe other
online
students or maybe
pickup. Yeah. So
other
that's a
security
simple, a
stuff
basic
or
command. I am
audit
not
stuff,
going
whatever
into
you're
detail of
into,
it because I
you
just
build it to
want
life.
to do something that I can achieve it. I can later improve
Chat
it,
GPT, because we need to create
modify
the
it because
prompt
I am
and
really
then
not
they'll
going to
discover the
build a
website
coffee shop. It's
and then
just
you
an
create an
idea
app
which I
around
want to
that.
implement. So now I
Yes,
copy
sir. Yes,
and
sir.
give it the command to
How
replicate.
you doing, brother?
Yeah, it's planning for you. Then the replicate give me two ideas. First,
A website.
either I
Yeah.
can make
So
a
it's all
complete
about the
website
prompt.
they can make for me, or
Yes,
they
and then
can
it's
give
going to
just
create
the
the prompt for you,
design.
the code and
Right now they
architecture.
are
Whatever that
yeah,
information
the
got
design
generated,
one.
all
I
that
choose the
information
design one. Yeah.
goes into
Thank you.
Replit, and it'll build an app around that. Then you're done, just like that.
You
And
have
then you
the
can
idea of
use
what you want to do?
Replit AI
Sorry, I'm
to.
already,
I don't like
told
these
them
colors.
to-
Put these
Oh.
colors in. I don't like this description. Change
You're
it to
doing the
this,
gym?
right? Or if you
No,
already have
not at all.
business
Oh.
pictures, use your own photos and put it into Replit, and it will replace all the photos.
Good.
Right?
Literally
Simple. You guys are good?
No, I know.
Yeah.
I saw.
You're good?
Do you guys have? Did you tell ChatGPT what you want to build? No, no, no.
Yeah.
You have to go to ChatGPT first.
Correct.
will-
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
yeah. So
crafting the
I will
wording.
explain. To be with me. Okay,
Yep. That's
guys.
the whole point. Correct. Correct. Yes. Correct. It's like innovation on top of innovation instantly, right? And it's getting a direct result. You don't have, there's no waiting time, right? It's a big difference, right? This like in the web 2 or like in the traditional way, you would have to wait through bureaucratic processing. You would have to wait for somebody else to pick up that phone and be able to give you the result. Oh, we could do this, we could do that. It costs you thousands of dollars plus time. You have everything right in front of you. Big difference.
Perfect. I want to choose somebody else's idea and then do it. Choose.
Or even
Mm,
French.
understood. Understood. Okay, guys. Um, I'm going to work with you to build this, right? So most of the people here have like the idea of what they want to do, right? It's all figured out. Somebody has a question around it. Ask me. Idea is done. You've thought about the idea. I'm going to randomly pick one person and do this. So who wants to volunteer? Who wants to tell me what they want to build? And I will build it for them.
Boom.
Okay, perfect. Yes. So what do you want to do?
I want to build a website similar to Preply.com.
Similar to
Preply, yeah. Do you know Preply?
the
Language, yes.
Okay.
So, but this time around, it's going to
You know what you're building?
not be for languages alone, but for mathematics, science, English, French, and a host of others. But we'll start with those four languages
you're
for
the all
now.
girl, eh?
And
Okay, all right.
the teachers should be able to enroll
Okay, yeah.
on the
So,
website
and what is it? What is the
as
process? That's a good
teachers,
idea.
so that when students come in and want to learn a particular subject, they can see the list of
Okay,
teachers
yeah.
and they
Okay,
can
like a little sports
choose
resource.
the
Yeah, okay.
particular person they
And is it
want
going to be essentials like
as
just
tutor.
clothing or
Yes.
like
Yes,
even
sir.
Okay. So I'll do it for you.
Nice.
And so you want a
hockey stick,
website
helmets,
which is like
yeah,
preply.com,
protective gear,
but
right?
for mathematics and other STEM subjects as well.
Perfect. So with that
And
comes like a
you
big
want
demand.
list of
And
teachers
then if you're going
and
with
their
fall sports,
obviously
you should
rates,
post
right?
like
Their
seasonal,
hourly rates,
right? So like
and you
volleyball
like
in
their
the summer, something
qualification
like
rates,
that.
and then
In the winter,
you want people
hockey's
should
all
be
year
able to
round.
like choose and book them,
Reward
right?
programs,
And build it.
right?
Perfect.
And yeah, whatever other like,
So guys,
need.
whatever your business is, I'm choosing Preply, which is from the lady there, and I'm going to do the software architecture for it first, right? I know a lot of you went to Replit directly. That's not what we have to do. We have to first iron out the idea and the software architecture for it, right? So follow me as I go through this. So I want to build a website like web app, web app. Are you able to see what I'm writing? It's clear, right? Okay. I want to build a web app like Preplit. So that's Preplit. Lyt. Okay. Prep Lyt. Ly. Oh, it's Preply. STEM. So I'm first giving it a reference, and the reference that is given is like she's a language instructor. So a reference that's given is like Preply. So we can go and see the website ourselves, which is our reference for the website. So if you go to Preply app, um, it's like a language website. So it allows you to basically learn a new language, right? So she wants to do this, but also for mathematics and other STEM subjects. And people should be able to see their like tutors, their rates, all of that, and be able to book them, right? So that's what she wants to do. So I'm going to write it. So I want to build a web app like Reply.com, but also allow for STEM fields. So that's science, technology, and math. It should list tutors and their rates, allow users to come up to book them. And do you want the video chat to happen on the website, or do you want it to happen on Zoom or Meet? Because if it happens on the website, server is going to be overloaded. We just use Zoom. Okay. See, these are the things that you need to iron out mentally before you give a command. Like, how is this thing going to work? AI is not magic. It's like you're still communicating to a software developer at the end, right? If it's not, it's going to assume stuff for you, which is going to be wrong, right? And then you won't like the product that is there. So, as many product details you can iron out beforehand, do it here, right? So, book them and then use zoom.com to do the classes. The most important thing is you have to say, ask me any questions if you have before you implement it, right? So So I asked it, ask me any questions you have before implementing. I need a software architecture for Replit, right? So have you guys now built a prompt like this? Have you put it in ChatGPT? Guys, we need to do this together. Have you put it into ChatGPT?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
For your business. Yes, correct. So build this prompt and let's see what it does. Can you go to see everybody's doing it, please? Thank you.
Are you doing good? You get it good? Here, let me do this for you.
See, it's asking you options, which is good. It's asking you what you want to do, right? How you want to do it.
Do you guys get it? The prompt?
Oh, okay. That's good.
See right here, that's too
Yes.
plain. It's too vague. Right? Like you gotta put
Several of them.
parameters.
But
on
you
it.
need to
gotta
write a
know,
prompt like that.
If you're a civil engineer and project,
Right?
like, what are you solving? What are you trying to get into?
Yes.
Right? And then you need to be able to
Yes.
get the AI to ask you questions, critique me, challenge me. Like, what am I missing?
Just
Right?
copy
It's gonna
the
come up with a
prompt.
bunch of
Copy what
stuff
I'm
you never
writing,
probably
but
thought
just
of to be
put
able
your
to
business.
understand, like, okay,
right?
this I need to take care of this as well to be able to get to this
Can I
point.
see what you've written?
Right? So
Okay.
probably redo the prompt.
Oh, that's fine.
and
But
you're
what
like
what
this.
do you want to do? Like,
Okay. And then I'm not too sure if you can see it.
oh,
but
habit
always
tracker.
ask it to
Perfect.
question
Perfect.
you, right? And
Good.
then whatever your local.
So the prompt
right?
structure is very simple. You talk about what you want to do. You mention that I want a software architecture for it. So you start with, I want to build a web app. Then what you want to build. Then you write, I want software architecture for Replit. Ask me any questions before implementing. This is very important.
Yep.
As simple as that. This is called prompt engineering. You're actually engineering the prompt that you're writing, right? Because AI is no good if you're not able to tell it how to work for you, right? So, okay.
How you guys doing?
Oh, very
You guys
nice.
You guys good?
That's good.
You?
I'm going to start my business.
You're going to start your business today.
Check what you
Very
got so
nice.
far.
I already have 5,000.
Oh,
Down in circuit, that's why. Yeah.
very nice. Oh,
What are you building here?
very good. Very good. Good.
You're smart, man. Smart. You're way ahead of me.
Ask me any questions you have.
How you guys
And
doing?
then,
You guys good?
And the
Any
idea.
questions
yeah,
at all?
then the idea.
Need help?
And what's the address for that? I can't see all those words.
You guys need help?
Sorry,
You're
for
good?
me. What's the YouTube
What do you would like to build?
stream that you guys are on right now?
Oh, so you go, I can, oh, yes.
Sure.
I don't know.
You know,
Let's
we
try
have so many
explore. Let's try get
videos.
explore.
Yeah, my focus is
Mm.
I like to draw something and
Okay.
then maybe like
This is a modern company.
It's so
teaching
great.
and saying
Yeah, like this.
I love that Morgan Connect too, yo. It's just so
Perfect.
amazing.
Usually I
It's
feel
just-
like I'm gonna
Out
say
of thin air, conjured that thing. So
Yeah.
it's so cool.
enjoy.
Yeah,
Like,
like,
doesn't matter if
Mm.
I subscribe right
Please
now,
do.
I'll get it when I'm
One is
back
better
on my.
like website
Perfect.
or web.
Well, you need to build a website first. That's what we're doing, to build a website first, and then you build that.
yeah. Now
Brand
we'll
new
go.
website.
We'll go after on this. On
So
this,
what
we'll
you
go
just explained
in
to
some
me,
time. Did you ask it to ask you
education,
any questions?
Communication.
You
Right?
have to
want
write
to be
that.
able to have interaction.
Yeah.
So put
You
that
didn't
in-
write
yeah,
ask
put
any
that in
questions.
the
I think
prompt,
you're not.
right? I
So
would
let
like
me-
a website
oh my
on
God, this is like-
education,
This is so small. I
communication,
can't
and
even
then
read it.
also ask at the end of your prompt.
For
question,
those in the back,
like, what am I doing wrong? What did I
the
miss?
prompt structure is as follows. I want to build an app like web app like. You talk about your web app, and then you say, I need a software architecture for Replit at the end,
You good?
and then you say, ask me any questions if you have. Right? I think you missed that. Any questions if you have, because we want the AI to not assume stuff. Like we want it to like ask you if you have like questions and how do you want this to be done or something or so, of that sort, right?
Yeah, then ask.
So does everyone have this
Ask me anything,
done? Okay.
and then
Do you have that done?
it could be anything because you're in
Correct.
civil engineering, right? Compliance, protocols, jurisdictions, like that's heavy duty stuff, right? So you're gonna have to learn about that stuff. The AI doesn't know that yet, but you have to put it in.
Ask me any questions if you have before implementing it.
Ask me anything before implementing it. And then boom, press send. see what it comes up with. It'll come up something more direct, more fine-tuned to your request.
Just can
These are good questions.
search current websites
Yes.
in real time, so if it's only been
Yeah,
around
how
for a few
can we
months or
change it?
something.
No
it's still-
problem.
Now the
Yes.
website is being
So that's
changed,
how
but
we
there
did the
are no
Modern
images.
Connect
No.
data.
How can I
So
change
if you
it?
actually
Right there.
see his
Prompt
Modern
right there.
Connect, it links
So-
to Healthium's
Prompt right
website,
there. Yep.
and it did it
Prompt,
on
prompt
its own.
Replit.
Yeah, no,
So it
And
actually
then,
indexed
how did you
like
did you do this? Did you
businesses
do that
and
to
their
this?
websites, linked
No,
it.
you do that to
It's
ChatGPT.
insane.
Yeah.
I didn't even expect it to do that.
Well, is this
ChatGPT.
GT5 that's doing it, or
It's
like an upgrade?
yeah, I think it's just if you buy it, it comes with the web
Yeah,
crawler.
you jumped ahead a little
You
bit.
can configure it to do web search.
Yeah.
Just
So
the fact that
making a
it's
web
stepped
app
over
for
the
a
past
coffee
and
shop
is
is
into
Yeah.
the
really
present
good.
now.
Oh,
is it
it's a
really-
big
Let's
thing.
redo
Yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah.
Let's step back here.
Yeah.
Jump ahead a bit.
Really appreciate the suggestion.
Online
No,
And
no,
the reminder to follow carefully.
is
the
a
Correct.
social
no, it's important.
shop in Morton,
software architecture like that.
Manitoba.
Every sentence matters.
use
Yes, because you're prompt
Morgan.
engineering, right? Like you're
No,
like
you
a
should
person
do it.
has to come out of
use
the mindset
website
that they're talking
provided
English. They
for
have to come up
context
with the mindset that you're giving
for this.
instructions to a worker.
That's
Right.
right. Yeah.
Morton
Right? That's
Town,
most important.
Morton
The
Town,
mindset
Morton
change
Town
needs
Center,
to be
City of
there.
Morton, right?
Specific
Boom.
details.
Yes.
There's a
See?
good classroom exercise or writing exercise.
You copy
Yeah.
it,
Exercise. Tell me how to make a peanut butter sandwich.
you paste it,
Oh,
Peanut butter,
right?
like the
You copy it, it's gonna know everything now.
Yes.
It's gonna know everything because it's gonna work around. It needs information, right? And the more you buy, I don't know how it has happened.
Anything
Let's
else?
go back here.
Refine your prompts, please.
Okay,
That's a great example.
copy,
You know what?
paste.
I'm having difficulties like in the live stream. Like this is live right now, but the students like
Paste.
it's difficult for them
Right?
to follow
And then
because
I
I'm not
like, it
able
could
to see
even
their
be,
PC.
like, even around
Yeah,
your
no,
culture,
that's right. It's
right?
Mm.
I would like to appeal,
these,
you know, a certain group of
uh,
people, right?
online
Build a
things,
community
like
around it.
something where you
Maybe
can
you guys
have
have
Yeah.
coffee back home. You want to be
Yeah.
able to put this in, right? It could be
You
anything,
want to
right?
have coffee back
Okay,
home.
okay.
Yeah.
I'm just
Have coffee.
Correct.
Alright.
Correct. It's
And then-
really difficult because I might have to do some of
And
these
then
online when I'm
We
traveling.
have
Yes,
tea.
double,
So
double.
this is gonna be
Yeah, double.
Yes,
Yeah.
double double.
Yeah, when I arrived
Yeah.
here on the first day, I was
bring
in
up a big TV
the airport and my
downstairs.
Yeah.
sister told
Bring
me
that
to
up
order
here.
double.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we don't
Most
know how
Canadians
to
Yeah, we
order.
could do that.
And then that could be a static
And now
monitor
I'm
with
not
all the
into
people
double.
that are, because I think you can lock in
Black
Yeah.
coffee.
your.
Right.
Like how the
broadcast
yeah,
Or
correct,
still-
correct.
Yeah, and the windows for
Correct.
I was gonna see that. What do you say
Zoom
here?
or Teams or whatever it is.
We'll
You
have
want
to
a
do
software
that.
architecture for Replit. Perfect.
Yeah,
Bigger and
Then you
better
want
all
to
the time,
put.
right?
100%. Thank you, my
I
friend.
gotta put, I
Thank you,
want
sir.
A architecture for Replit.
Guys, everybody's architecture is
then-
there today. Do we have this? Okay. Did everybody ask AI to ask it questions? Okay. I need everybody's attention.
Correct.
Otherwise,
No,
this
thank
will
you.
get missed again. Okay.
You're good,
So
bro?
I know you guys went into your businesses, but let's come back to mine for 2 minutes so that I can address. So this was
Yep.
like Preply.
So, like,
You want to like we want tutors. They should be able to like get 1 hour sessions, 2 hour sessions, their rates. Now it came up with the software, like it's not come up yet, but it's asking me questions, right? So user roles. Do you want only 2 main roles? Like how many different type of users do you want on the web app, right? Because it's an important thing. Do you want tutor, student, or do you want a third one? Do you want an administrator which is able to do other stuff into the app? I think for now we're good with tutor and student. So what I'm going to do is to answer the AI's question, I just copy all of this.
Are you selling tea? Are you selling
So you guys will have a version of these questions as well. And I'm going to copy this and I'm going to start answering, right? And I'm just going to give it to it and it will actually understand questions have been answered. I now need to do my work, right? Which is actually coming up with the software architecture, right? So said, yes, 2 roles are enough, right? Then it's asking, what about payments? Will students pay per session, buy packages or subscribe monthly? What do we want to do? We want pay per session, simple, monthly. But then the tutors have rates. So how does that work? You have to think long. But then you put rates for hours, right? That's what we told AI to do before. So it's asking, will students pay per session, buy packages or subscribe monthly? It's pay per session. Yes, it's pay per session.
You gotta talk to her like it's human.
Okay, this is a good question. Do you want to escrow funds that are held until class completion or direct payout to tutors? Basically asks us that do you want the website to hold the funds till the class is done or not? What do you want to do? Hold it. Hold the funds, escrow? What is the preferred payment gateway? Stripe? Okay, Stripe is good. And then it's asking us to confirm the booking flow. Should the platform sync with tutors' calendars like Google and Outlook integration, or just an in-app schedule? So it should sync. Should sync. We will sync it. Which means tutors have to log in with their Google or whatever. Yeah, correct.
Yes, is it control?
Should the students be able to cancel with rules? Like, should they be able to cancel, reschedule within 24? Yes, that's correct. Within 24 hours, cancellation is fine.
Now it's gonna do its thing. It's working.
Do you want to embed Zoom or just auto-generate links? Just auto-generate links.
Yeah.
Do you want to embed Zoom, like integrate it, or just auto-generate the links?
Yep.
Simple, right? Auto-generate the
Brown, I don't
links.
like the brown.
Okay.
Adding green. Right? Easy. Perfect. I can see you have the company.
It's asking about, besides the subject and the rate, should the students be able to filter by availability, location, reviews? Yes?
These are real prices.
I'm just answering the questions as well, so that we're able to.
This coffee shop is for elite class.
Oh, okay. We're doing your work right now.
So I answered the question and I gave it the stuff, right? Have you guys done this?
Yeah, but I saw a question there. It was asking of the back end.
Yeah, I just said yes, yes. His
So do we have to choose the back end?
no, you should just say yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Because think about it. If somebody is not technical, then ChatGPT will do a better job than you deciding it, right? So you should not interfere.
Because people like him, the sweets of it.
Y-
They knows.
Yes, yes, correct. If you don't, then you should not. So whoever
What do you build?
have you guys answered the questions? Did you copy the questions and answer? Okay, I'm gonna go and check. Okay, you've answered. Can I see?
So I was just following.
Okay, okay, okay. No
Book me
worries.
in for a
Are you answered?
workshop. I'll come drive over there.
Yes.
Like an hour workshop.
I think she answered.
Right? Do the same
Oh,
thing.
she
as this,
answered?
but over there.
She answered. Let me answer
Right?
mine now.
I don't know what protocols or permissions
Hmm.
you need to do.
No, no, no. It's good.
Go through the right channels and get it done.
You're answering right now.
Where are we answering?
Okay.
And then see how this turns. How did it turn out?
do we go to paste them?
Still working.
So what
See?
you have to do
Still
is,
working. It's gonna take its time.
yeah, just copy them and paste
Yeah.
them back here,
Then
Oh,
you
back
can
there.
just set it.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, and then answer.
and then like just
Still working.
answer
Keeps
like
getting
this,
different.
right?
Okay.
Just yes or no, and
Oh,
then
I
it will
see.
build it for you.
So you can able order
Right?
online. You look at this.
You're talking to the AI.
And also, how can you
Yes.
image?
Yep, you can put the images in here. So what did you do in Canva yesterday? What did
So
do
you answer. Yeah, you answered the questions, right? Okay, we'll come to this at the end. Now,
use that Canva.
did you answer?
Download it.
Oh, you're
in here.
answering. Just
So if
copy
you already
this.
have
Copy
Canva,
these questions.
You even
And
real
then
pictures. Yes,
just
even real
answer them.
pictures. Yes,
And then we can put it there.
correct.
And they
This is not the
will
last one.
Correct.
Oh, sorry.
Maybe I
Correct.
missed
We don't
something.
need a
No,
special
no, I'll check.
photographer.
Correct.
You don't need
Exactly.
Ah,
You have to
You
answer
are the
these.
builder. You are the
Yeah.
builder.
You just said yes to all.
yeah.
Okay.
No, we will confuse because
No,
Yeah.
yes,
Yep.
I already gave me something.
No, but like you. This answer is not a yes no answer.
Do you understand?
You need to-
just what you can do?
So
this
what
kind of thing
you
right
do
here?
is,
You would have to go to the builder.
yeah, what you do
beforehand,
is,
and then you.
because if you're not
they're
giving
gonna
proper
take a
answers,
month or two
it
to
won't
know
build
what
it for
did.
you properly.
You're like, I don't like this.
Yeah,
and
it's
but you
not-
feel like,
It's not the
man,
best.
it's gonna take so long. I might as well just take whatever is given.
No, but
This,
did you ask
are
it to
the
build a?
control center.
Oh, yeah.
You didn't ask it to do Replit, right?
Uh,
So you have to change it. First, you need to change it
Correct.
to say, build me a software. Like you can just copy the prompt she has done, and
You
then
believe this?
it
Yes.
will
You can
have
start
this.
your own business. There's people that's gonna have that don't have to be able to hire certain people that can use this.
So I'm just going to buy a food truck and selling pakoras here.
Correct.
Yes, yes. Why not?
100%.
That's what
So
I'm discussing.
buy a
Yeah,
food
yeah,
truck,
yeah.
make this website, and
And
then
sell
hire him
pakoras.
as
Project manager.
project manager. You know.
Yeah.
Hi.
I'll be your marketing manager. Marketing manager.
Yes.
And I have come here for the workshop that we are doing
Oh.
for people to.
I think you're a bit late, but you can have a seat.
Yeah, I was late.
No
really.
worries. No
But I
worries.
wanted to have some knowledge rather than.
No, no, that's fine. Please,
use
Make
that.
it 100%.
please go ahead.
See? Make it, and you can go over here at the top right.
Are you? Do you need help?
Look at this.
Did you
Is it
answer the
yours?
questions?
Yeah.
Perfect.
I
Perfect.
will
Very good.
try for our
Very good.
our local cuisine. We will sell it
Yes.
soon.
Yes.
Do you answer
It
the
is
question?
easy.
And I
Okay,
will
okay.
give you free voucher for
Okay.
every time
Yeah.
you come, you can have free.
Okay. I like it.
You're getting
I like
free
it.
pakoras, dude?
Yes. I like it.
You do
I'll take
that.
that lifetime.
Yeah. No, the most
Lifetime,
amazing
yeah.
part.
So
Lifetime.
you're in the full page, right? So you can go back here.
Because you answered the
It's still
questions.
working right now,
I
by the way.
didn't though. That's
Oh,
the
you
only-
didn't?
What surprised me?
But I like
ask me
this because it's
questions
very
you have.
cozy.
It didn't
I
ask
Me,
you.
won't
it's very
pester you
cozy.
with questions.
Fall.
This is a
Oh,
dark ball.
because
It's
it
fine.
would be simple. I think what you're trying to do is too simple.
And then what was the food?
Yeah, because
Yeah,
because
No, I
the
think I just my engineering, my
oh,
my
amazing.
prompt was so perfect.
What's
Yes.
Couldn't possibly see it.
Good, good.
There
Like,
you go.
I can't ask any questions.
They needed spelling too. They needed
It wants to be my
spelling
best
too for
friend.
you.
Love
What is it?
it.
I'm an
Workshop
educator
vibes.
here.
Okay, yeah, I want to log in.
Yeah,
That's
I'm
it.
gonna try to do that with you.
Yes, it is. It is. It is.
Falling in love with
It's like wants you to renew the subscription.
That's right.
Some of these things don't.
I think you want your account limit, dude. That's
Yeah,
the
like,
problem.
no, like this. Like
Oh
this
yeah,
one.
yeah. This is gone.
This one too, because she's trying to get
Oh
in.
my god. Shit.
Did we reach our limit?
If I choose
No, they just
single
can't go
vendor, then
to,
I want
Yeah.
to change it to much
the adult center.
Yeah,
They
yeah, yeah.
can't,
Replit can change it later.
change the account.
Yeah, yeah.
Is this it's my key?
Yeah.
But there's no like switch account, right?
So we tried to restart it like 2 times. Okay.
See if I can get
Yep.
Victor.
Yeah, I'm trying to get this.
Because you say you had 20.
Yeah, see, it's this one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
This one's
I
only
think we're,
stuck
like,
on the
maxed out
MIT
at
because we're sharing a
probably-
building with somebody
This is
else.
good
This
though.
their
We
account.
can ask people.
So right now you're a
You
little
know,
bit late. so,
we
like,
could ask people
just
to
probably
get
sit down
their
and watch
laptops
it.
next time.
But if you have any questions,
But then
what we're
Brown
doing is
can't
we're
like do
building the
subscription
website.
numbers.
Okay, yesterday
Let me see
we
if
built
Victor will
yesterday we
answer.
built
and I'll see if I
the
can get a
context
response.
of a website.
That's fine.
So like
Don't-
your
Because
brand,
we're just
your
short
social
on
media,
one, and she
your
won't be able to
presence,
follow any.
product, your services.
So she should
We
just say
built a
what's
marketing
going.
around that.
Right?
Now with all that marketing, we can
Don't
use all
worry
that
about
marketing to build a website.
How many days is
I know.
this workshop?
Don't try to.
2 days.
It's all good.
2 days.
Don't want to
Yesterday and
disturb.
today.
I don't want to disturb him on a Sunday. He helps a lot, man.
Free.
Like he
Wait, next
he was
ones
so
are
considerate.
gonna-
He has always been very considerate.
He's so considerate. I really don't want to bother
Yeah,
him.
I don't.
Okay.
I feel so bad having you here.
Okay.
Like I don't want to.
I think it worked out pretty
You
good
have
in the end
Facebook?
because I like
Yeah,
Add me on Facebook. Add me on
church
Facebook.
after and it was like church in
I get
the-
everybody to
we
add.
had
You
some
guys, everybody
farm
should be adding each
part of
other.
the start of the service.
Yeah.
The kids at least.
Brown
So that was
Eagle,
just
that's
the
my name.
plan for the morning.
Correct.
Like, I can't
Brown
make it,
Eagle.
but
Is it
it's like,
BROWN?
oh my God, it's emergency. I gotta go and help these guys out.
Correct.
And absolutely.
Good job.
It is.
And
If
so
it doesn't
Like,
show
imagine
Brown
all of
Eagle,
these-
Winnipeg.
I've heard about it, but seeing it in action, seeing
Yeah.
the
There's
a
sequence
lot of
of
Brown Eagles
events and some of those key things up front.
So
Like,
after giving these
Yeah,
commands,
this is gonna
what should
save
I
our
write?
IT time, our IT team. a
Yeah.
bunch
1
of
second.
time.
Everybody's gonna have a web app in the city. If I do it,
Like I'm gonna set it up for my birthday party,
yes.
right? Like just simple things.
My
when it's
fiance
there.
is asking me to do it
No,
for
thank
the
you. Thank you.
wedding.
Sorry.
She's like, we should have user management assign everybody wedding rooms because they'll have
Absolutely.
hotel, right? I was like, dude, it's
API
too much work
endpoints
for me. I'm
for
not doing it.
managing community
I will
data
teach you how to do. I will send you the
Just
live
letting you
stream
know
link.
what it did,
Join and do it.
right?
Our
Just
master
this is-
class.
And then
this is
she's
all
like,
its action items.
Like
what
you
it
are
did.
misreading what marriage is.
Yeah.
I will come home. I will
I
thrash you.
took 7 minutes to
I'm
be able to
joking.
build this. It worked down
So,
with 40
because this is live stream,
items
you
read,
should not
31
know
lines of code.
how I am.
This is all technical stuff. You don't have to worry about this stuff. This is all what it's doing.
Yes, this is recording.
Correct.
Anyway, so
Right.
you're gonna
Yeah, and it's thinking,
Yeah.
and it's working. It's all working in the background. Yeah.
correct. Okay, you're answering right. Very good. Very good, guys. So,
Right here.
did you all answer the questions?
Architecture.
Is anybody
Architecture.
still answering
What's
them?
is this the architecture? Yeah.
You answered the question.
Oh, you did everything
Okay.
right. Okay, so it's
The architecture.
oh, yeah,
Okay,
perfect.
Guys?
All this.
who is still answering the questions? You're still answering it. Okay, you're still answering it. You're still answering it. Okay, we have 3 people just still answering. I'm gonna cover those. You still answering?
I don't know what I
Who's
did.
still answering? Okay, sorry, go ahead.
I
Is this
answered
it
all
right
the
here?
questions.
Is this it right here?
Ask me
Let's
questions.
see,
Oh.
no.
It happens sometimes.
Yeah. What are some
Yeah, you can
recent
correct these.
innovative
So if you
marketing
think
No,
anything is
no,
wrong,
that's not mine.
you can correct this. Did you answer
do
the
you remember
questions?
what you put on
Yeah,
Amazing.
yeah, it had
Great,
to do
great,
with
great.
uh, deprogramming violence.
Okay, good. Did you answer the questions?
Yeah.
You answered, both of you answered. Show me your
Deprogramming
software
violence.
arc.
Yeah,
Did you know what you did here?
yeah.
No, but you have, okay, good, good, good. Fair, fair, fair. Good. Can I see your software arc? Okay,
you want?
amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Did you put it in here or did you put it in here?
I put
This is
it
the कर
here.
लिया सारा.
Yeah.
Very good.
So
Do
when
you
I
want to
was
sit in the
moving
front
forward,
so be able to see
Mhm.
they
everything?
asked me
Okay, please go ahead.
if I
No, no,
wanted
please come.
more specific details to put in my
Um,
credentials.
can I have someone sitting with
Because I
you
was
so
using a
that
free
they can just
version.
follow along? Please sit here, if that's fine with you.
So what was it again? Deprogramming.
Yeah, deprogramming
So,
violence.
I'm just going to take 2 minutes to brief you. So what we've done till now, have a seat. What we've done till now is
Deprogram
we're trying to
violence. What are
use
the other
AI
things around
to
it?
build a web app,
Let
right?
me see,
This particular web app
deprogramming
is like
violence
built
with,
using something called Replit and ChatGPT together.
Intervention.
yeah,
So we go to
using
ChatGPT,
intervention.
we give the
wraparound
idea,
services.
we call it prompt engineering. We explain it what we want to build, right? Give me a business you want to build, for example.
He says
Give me a
questions
web
too,
app that you
but
would
I
want
always
to
say
build.
critique me as well, right?
Oh, I see. Okay.
Critique.
Maybe there are so many
Critique.
applications like Facebook.
Like let's say you want to build Facebook, right? You want to build Facebook,
Right,
right?
challenge.
You want to build
I
Facebook
always
for
do that,
modern,
right?
right? We just did it.
Like,
We just
especially when
built
you're doing
Modern
something like
Connect.
this,
Yeah.
So what you
it
go to
needs to be
ChatGPT
that.
and you say
Yeah.
that
Remember
I
what
want
he
to
said,
build
AI
I
is
want to
gonna be
build
biased in
Modern
this case.
Connect, right?
It
It should be like
great and
Facebook.
right,
People should
but
be
it
able to
actually is
job
wrong.
posts and all of
That's
that.
what it's good at,
Build a
right? It's
software
like a child's
architecture for
toy,
it.
right?
Yes, yes.
Ask me
yes,
any
it
questions
needs
you have,
guidance,
right?
prompting.
So we put that prompt. It's asked any questions. We answered those questions, and it gives us the software architecture. We're now at that stage, right? Can you just go over your
Once
ChatGPT
we do
history?
it practically, then I will be
Yeah,
able
yeah.
to know it better.
We've already done half of it. So this is also live stream, so you can see the recording
Yeah,
as well.
thank you.
That's what I
Perfect.
say.
Guys,
You
anybody
should
still
have this
answering
kind of
questions?
Crap.
Still answering questions? Yes, yes, yes.
Now, when I answer any of
What's
the
your vision?
question,
What's your
Yes.
scope?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your who's your primary user?
So
Intervention
those are-
model. Look at that. Data ethics.
You just have to copy this.
Yeah.
Just copy this.
Farm.
Copy
See?
it, okay?
Complexity
Ooh.
creep. Trust barrier.
And paste it here.
Yeah.
Staff adoption.
So you
Next
copy
steps,
Control
down
C,
to MVP.
then you do
You got yourself a
Control
roadmap,
V,
bro.
and then you
You're good?
just answer each of those.
Each of them, that's
I'm gonna do for now because
are
we
good?
need to be a bit
guys
fast. Is
You guys have a
yes
business or anything?
for
You're a silver
all.
engineer, right?
Okay,
You're an
just for
engineer.
now.
so for now, but not yet for all.
Okay, okay.
Oh,
What do
you guys are
okay,
new
okay,
or-
okay.
Have answered
Yeah, I
for
just moved here too.
Okay, but
Yeah,
you
So
you
we're
need
just
to do it
keeping
quickly
this
because we have to move to the next one. But I mean, like you can do it. I'll come back to you again when we copy it to Replit.
Somebody else uses the building, but we're just
No. Just answer
blessed
how
to
you
be
want to
able
answer. Don't worry,
Phyllis.
because the next step is just
Thanks to
copying
that,
it into
Sean.
Replit, and it's gonna take
Basically,
time.
he's gonna be,
So answer
head of
slowly.
offices here.
Don't worry.
So he's allowing us to be able to educate people on AI, crypto,
Sorry?
emerging technology.
Yeah, I saw this. This is good. I'll explain
you
what
guys
to
like
do.
good
I just
stuff?
want everybody
So
on
yeah,
this
I
stage.
actually have a full Web3
Software arc. You have the software. Okay.
We have 7 modules.
Oh, you
Each
go to
of
the
them
next step.
Everything
I know,
from,
I know.
Like
I know, I know.
working with
I know the
developers,
feeling.
Their consensus models.
Okay.
Right through these new emerging technologies. Also, we have blockchain.
It's done.
We have crypto.
Yes.
Right. What is it?
Okay,
blockchain? What
so
can we do with
everybody
it? What's the
is-
use case, right?
Guys, all of you
Now,
answered the
how does
questions
governance look
except
like
you.
with these tokens?
All questions answered. Brown. Questions answered.
Yes. Yes.
So everybody has a software architecture like this, correct? You have this. Everybody has it. Can you just do thumbs up, please? Okay, everybody has software architecture. What you need to do, go at the end of your prompt and click on the leftmost button to copy the whole prompt, right? Just click on it.
Hold them down.
Has everyone copied the prompt? I will come to you later. Don't worry.
You already did it though. You already did it.
Yes.
This is my prompt.
You already went
Just
ahead.
at the end.
You did it right here.
I asked him.
And you already did that.
Yeah,
So what
you
you got
can
here?
just.
What you got here?
Yeah.
You go
Yeah,
here.
good.
Press that.
Everybody copied the prompt?
Yep.
Copied the prompt?
Okay.
Just copy. Did you copy the prompt?
I'm
Oh,
doing
you're
my-
answering the question.
I'm doing my third version. here.
Prompt
Okay,
is
no,
when you're
that's fine.
Typing into the
We can come back to you.
yes,
You copied the prompt.
ChatGPT.
Copied the prompt? Copied the prompt?
You guys are good?
Copied the
Yeah.
prompt.
You guys
Okay.
good?
You
Right.
copied the prompt?
Yeah.
You
Yes.
clicked on this, right?
Let's order right now.
It's already checked. Yeah.
Yeah, you.
You need to click
So
again.
you
Yeah, just click it.
it's good to go. You just need to
You,
make
I
it.
know you
got it,
copied.
yep.
Yeah, got it.
View menu. You just need to put a menu now.
Okay, guys. Everybody's prompt is copied.
Need to put the menu.
Perfect.
Yes.
So how would I?
If you go to Replit,
What did I say last time?
You see there, I can.
just go to replit.com.
I'll go like this.
You'll have something like this in front of you. Does everybody have this in front of them? It's here. All good?
Then make your edits.
Good. Guys, you have this replit.com.
Menu.
Text box in front of you. You do Control V or Command V based on Control V actually. Control V into it.
That's it. Coffee. Biscuits. Coffee beans where people can find and go do it at home.
Have you done Control V?
Yeah.
Yep. So paste, just paste.
Just paste and write, please do this. That's it.
Right, please do this.
Is it good?
Yes.
Why mine is like this?
We're
No,
being
that's fine,
nice
that's
and
fine,
kind
that's
to our
fine.
AI today.
Because it's AI,
Right?
so it doesn't need to do all that.
Yeah, just press enter. Did you do please do this on Replit?
Yeah, just press enter.
Yeah, just copy it and
Just
put
press
please
enter.
do this.
Press
Okay,
web.
I think you're
Press web
already
app.
there.
You too. Press web app. Press start. When you're done. If you're done,
Did you copy it? Put it on
Do I
Replit.
need to type that paste in there?
Amazing.
no.
Good.
No, because you already did everything
Sorry.
with your ChatGPT.
I got a question.
Yes. You did please do this.
The-
Please do this,
At
Carly.
the end here, I got a bunch of helpful
Okay,
snippets.
perfect, perfect.
Generated SQL.
Did you do please do
scaffold,
this?
text, all
Okay.
these things. It
Amazing.
says, do you want me to like copying and pasting this in there?
So
Is
when
it
I
useful
click on
to
my
edit
app,
out some of these
Yes.
options?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's gonna read that all that.
And then
stuff.
just
Exactly.
paste
And so it'll have,
your
because these
prompt
are
here.
either or scenarios.
You have to
So
paste
we'll
it.
react on those.
Yeah,
those
just
references
write
also.
please do
Yes,
this.
gotcha. Okay, thanks.
Hmm? No. Just
You guys are good?
write please do this.
You guys are good? You gentlemen
Just
good?
write it
You
anyway.
good? You good, bro?
Yeah, just go start now. Start
good?
chat. Start it.
You guys are good?
Yes.
What do you guys build? What are you guys building? Let me see.
And do start chat.
I'm still waiting. Just
Oh, it's loading? Wait, let me see.
Did you answer? Okay.
I'm still.
No worries.
I think your bus already missed.
Can I see your rep?
Oh yeah, you're right.
because I didn't want to put yes for all. I
Okay.
answered every line.
Oh, it's doing it.
Guys,
Okay.
Are we here now? It's gonna ask you two questions.
Are you in Replit?
Guys,
Not yet.
follow, please. Did you put the prompt into Replit? All of you have done that, right? Except Guy and I'll come to you later. Don't worry. These things, it's gonna ask you two questions. Do you want to build the entire app or start with design, right? The two things, like how they differ with each other, is very simple. If you do the entire app, it will take 20 minutes of your time and it will build something that you might or might not like. Even though we've answered all the questions and done the architecture, it's giving you an option. Do you want to start with seeing the visuals, not doing any back-end functionality? So an app is like front end and back end. Front end is what you look in the front, and back end is the logic behind, right? So back end takes more time than the front end usually, right? But we humans only care about how it looks like, right? So it's giving you an option that it can do the easy part, show you how it looks like, take all your feedback, then build the backend so that there are lesser changes. Or are you confident that just build the app, right? Most people would just choose this. I would also, right? But it's not the right option. You have to see the design first, right? If you don't see the design, then it will build something that you might or might not like, right? So let's start with design.
That's like the UX.
Yes, that's the UI UX. UI is user interface, UX is user experience, right?
So that's what I'm showing.
Correct. So it's going to give you like, So ChatGPT asked it to use Stripe, SendGrid, Replit Auth, and Postgres SQL database. These are all the answers that we actually gave it, right? We approved the backend and all of that. It said it's going to include user authentication, tutor profile creation, advanced search, real-time booking system, Stripe Connect, so payment, need the money, right? Comprehensive booking, role-based, STEM subject, taxonomy, physics, chem, basic review, and email notifications, right? And the prompt is start designing. Good. Has everybody clicked design? Design. दोस्त
It's
सारा
doing
कर
its
लिया.
thing. Yeah, it's
That's
working
fine.
right
You
now.
don't have to worry about it. Design. No, not here.
It's here.
Oh, you want to give? Are you
Yes, sir. Coming right now.
following a little bit? Okay. Good.
I'm just getting a little pointers here.
Oh, nice. Very good. You're on the right path. Are you good? Perfect. So, guys, in the next 5 to 10 minutes, we'll see how our web app looks like. Now we have 10 minutes. If you have any questions or something, it's designing. So we have 5-10 minutes as it does that. Oh, you can ask it to fix it. Just say, fix the problem. It's going to fix it. Yeah, just do debug with agent. Correct. Did you do build the full app? I think you didn't choose design. You chose build the full app.
Yeah, she chose.
Yes, that's the problem.
First, we have to choose the design, and then we have to. So we should start from.
No. It's going to fix it now.
Okay.
But in the next time, you do design first and then you build the app. Because it had a backend, bro. Did you put it on Replit?
No problem, because I mean, I copy this.
Yes.
Just copy this one.
No, I think you didn't copy the whole
You guys
thing.
hungry?
Yeah, when I
Yeah.
I'll show you. So just do this copy.
that one.
Yeah, if it's not copying the whole thing, then now.
Oh, yes, sir.
Good. No worries. Guys, do you have any questions? Because it's going to take 5 to 10 minutes for this to get done. Any questions?
Would be a chance to put our own pictures in there?
Yeah.
Put it on the line?
You can put your own pictures. Just copy and put it. It's like ChatGPT. So what you have to do is, okay, review is coming soon. So there's something called Replit Edit. You can click it and you can say, change this. And it will just change that. Yes. Any other questions, guys? Everybody's on this stage. You guys are waiting, right? If you want to edit something, you can't now. I'm joking. I mean, you have to let it do its job and then you can edit it, right?
So, like in Replit, it asks me a question that do I want Replit to handle it or something? I want it to be on the cloud.
Replit. You ask. You should choose Replit.
Replit.
It's the
So
easiest.
is it talking about the hosting?
Yes, hosting.
So I must host my web app on Replit. Is it better?
It's easier.
But I can have my own domain name.
Yeah, you can add your own.
The hosting of it.
Correct.
Easy to edit.
Correct. Because Replit is the one which is doing the deployment, right?
That means
Looks nice.
so another question. So if my existing website now,
Yes.
I have my shop is a subdomain
Yes.
in my
Existing
site.
website.
So like a shop domain, a subdomain.
Yes.
So but what I did now, I told ChatGPT to mesh the two, so that it's like it's together,
Okay.
the website and the shop.
Yes.
Right. So if I do that. So I'll just have to now I'll just cancel my hosting from my previous one,
Yes.
right? And now just make my domain correct.
Correct. That's it.
That's it.
You can, when we do the deployment, it will ask you. You can even buy a new domain.
Put my name. I can change my
No,
name.
no, you can change your name. if you want.
No,
Oh, you can. I mean, no. I said you said I can change. I thought you said I can change your name. So then you just have to import the DNS into the Replit, and it'll work. You- when we do the deployment, you'll see. So this is the next step.
Now another question, sorry.
Yes.
So if I pay $20 a month
Yes.
correctly, I can do many websites, not
Correct.
just one website.
Correct.
So it's like I'm not just paying my hosting, I'm paying how many websites can I do on that?
So it depends on how much customization you're doing on each website. Because what happens is you have one website. When you're actually like asking a lot of AI question, it uses tokens or credits, right? So as those credits are being utilized, right, that's where like this the AI tokens get used up, right? So you can do a lot of basic websites, or you can do a few complex ones. So it will tell you that it's out of. Yes, yes, yes.
I saw in Leonard when I was trying to
Yeah.
the free one they said I have around 150 credits.
Yes, yes, yes.
So when I tried to generate more than 3 images,
Said credits are done.
it's my credit account.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I knew that. So all AI use credit. Even
Yes.
ChatGPT use credit.
Everybody. So
Oh.
Replit uses multiple AIs on the back end, right? So it has to pay them for the credits using like connections, APIs basically. Did anybody's design get completed? Still working? Anybody's design got completed? Okay, design is completed? Perfect.
But there are changes to be made.
Okay, you because you started earlier,
Yeah,
no?
earlier, yeah.
Yeah.
The design very
So what you can do is, I'll teach this a little bit later, but what you have to do is you choose this. So let's say ये तुसी address change करना, right? So you can say this and you can say this. And you can write change to Lauren Drive. I knew आपको यही question आएगा.
पूछ रही थी कैसे कर रहा है लेकिन वो मुझे कहीं और ले गया वो नहीं हुआ.
No problem.
Oh,
You have to select it.
select and change. That's what
Yeah.
I was thinking. Okay, menu है.
1 second उसको अब change करने दें. हाँ?
कर लेगा तो फिर मैं और changes.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
हम choose करना that add instruction. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
And how can I change about ordering?
You have to like tell it that change this. That's the normal thing. See, change हो गया जी. But a specific आप change करोगे.
Everything को select करें
हाँ
और
जी.
उसको change करें.
हाँ
Menu
जी.
में चले जाएं
हाँ जी.
और menu change.
Correct, correct.
Uh, which expression? What resource you use to get this information? Just websites or
I'm a software developer, so like I tried to make my life easy. So I just used it. That's it. बन गया ਤੁਹਾਡਾ? Oh, asking you to. Oh, but you can ask it to fix it. Fitness. Good, good. Your design is done? One second. Okay, I think our design is done. Sorry?
Why is mine like this?
Sorry?
It's showing me the back end.
You can click this. See front end. It's not showing you back end, it's just showing you how your dashboard will get managed. But you can see these products and like.
No banner, nothing. It's a prompt you give them. It's a prompt I give.
Yes, yes, yes.
What kind of prompt is this?
But like that's what That's why we got it to develop the front end first, because you have so many comments for this, right? So once we fix this, we will ask it to make the whole app. Yes.
What's the next stage?
Yes. Sorry.
This is what might come up.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Is it
So
okay?
yes. 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 Don't. We will now work on this. Guys, is your design done? Yes.
Have you to go to the first page at Google? You see,
You have to go Replit. You have to go chatgpt.com, then Replit. Yes. That one. Yes. 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 That one. That one. Guys, whose design is done? Or whose design is not done? Yours is not done. Yours is not done. No, this is the design. Yes, yes, yes.
I told him I'm going to do it in electronic security. Why is it giving me bulb bearing and transmission
You,
power?
we can ask it to fix it. It's gonna, because you didn't clarify the content in the prompt. We should have clarified the content, which we did not.
So I want to clarify where do I do
I will explain it to you. But usually, what you can do is, so yeah, we're gonna first answer this question. Hold on. Guy, your design is done? Okay, okay, yes, yes, it's done. It's done. It's done. Design, 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 design. Everybody's design is done. Your design is done also. Everybody's design is done. Your design done, done, done. Your design is done. Still doing it. Okay, let it work. I can come back to you while we start this. Okay, but you just, it will fix it on its own. Don't worry. See, it will fix it. So, very intelligent. Okay, guys, majority of the designs are done. So we're gonna now go to the next step, right? So remember why we did the design first, because we as humans have a lot of comments on how things look like, right? So once we iron those out, how it looks on the back end, nobody cares, or at least humans don't care, right? So this is what it looks for me, and what is developed is featured tutors, book session. This is exactly what I asked it. I asked it, I want STEM fields. I wanted it to be able to book sessions, list people's, like how much money the tutors will charge, view their profile, all of that, right? So this is just the design. It's not a website, it's not working, which means if I click a lot of those things, that might not work because we didn't build the whole thing, right? So you have a question that it asks you. I have created a visual preview of your app. If everything looks good, I will build the backend and the functionality so we make it useful, or we can keep iterating on design, right? So your app, it's your app, right? Do you like it? It's good. We go ahead. What do you guys think? Like your design is not good, right? Okay, you're doing it again. You have to keep iterating on design. You shouldn't recreate it. It's okay. You can still do it again, however you like it. But okay, for now, follow this, right? So that you can learn and you can do it. Yes, please. Yes.
Replit made the website. The only thing that I don't want to say AI, is AI that.
Okay, I will explain how to fix it. Because you want to fix little things on the website, right? I will explain. So let me actually show it to you. No, but then I have to answer this. Okay. I want everybody to come on the same page because there's gonna everybody has the same question at this point, right? Guys, design, everybody likes it. Most of you seem to not like the design, so I also have to not like the design, right? So I'm gonna choose keep iterating on the design, and I will explain to you how to fix like each of those things, right? So now we have keep iterating on design, and you have this, like let's say most of you have come to me and you've said there's this like little text or little thing that I don't like, right? How do you change that? Guys, are you focusing? Your designs are done? Still okay, no worries. So I chose keep iterating on design, right? And now most of you are going to say I don't like this, I don't like this, I don't like this, change this, change this, change that. How do we do that? Let's say I want to like replace Tutor Connect with something else. What do you want to change? You have to, we have to change something. Why choose Tutor Learning? It's not good name. Better name, please. Yes. Okay, choose whatever you want to change. That is it. You want to change the name, like the name of the app? Okay, so it's called Tutor Connect. You want to change it to Learning? I don't think we'll get that domain. But then it's not SEO optimized because people are gonna use the wrong learning. So what do we do? Hmm.
That's the what you like.
Educate without thinking.
Educate.
Yes, minus the two.
Okay. So the lady here wants to change Tutor Connect to Educate, right? So she wants to change the like exactly here, but also everywhere else where Tutor Connect is written, right? So there's this small icon which is right next to build. It's called select element. Are you able to see this icon, guys? Are you able to see this icon? Click on it. How many of people here have used Microsoft Paint? Right? Paint, right? This is like the selector on the paint. You just go on whatever you want to change and you select the element. And if you see, the element will have H1 here. So it's internal identifier for Replit to know what you want to point at, because you need to tell the AI what you're talking about, right? So guys, have you selected what you want to change? Everybody selected it? Selected? So you chose the selector, I chose this. You guys have to choose whatever you want to choose in turn. Have you chosen? Chosen, guys? Chosen? Okay. Then what I need to write is change the name of the app here and everywhere else from Tutor Connect to Educa. EDUCA. EDUCA, ma'am. Edu.ca. Okay. Educa.ca. Okay. Okay. So I selected it and I told it change the name of the app here and everywhere else from Tutor Connect to EDUCA. So you have to tell it what to do. And then I entered it. Your design is done? Still doing it. So complex. Making AI work very hard. It's gonna get tired today. Guys, have we all selected and asked it to change what we want to change? You've done that? It's doing it. You've done it. Good boy. Good boy. You chose the gender of the AI as well. Like, ਤੁਸੀਂ choose ਕੀਤਾ? Okay, perfect. Yeah. Yeah, so span is the identifier for what you've selected. It selected Tutor Connect for you also. That's so funny. Yes, yes, yes.
Because I didn't have H1 here.
Oh, because it's the structure of each website is different, right? Did you choose?
Yeah.
And it changed?
It's changing.
Okay. So just go scroll to latest. Nice. That's good. You like what it has done till now? Are you gonna release it? You should release it. That's why we're teaching this, you know. Okay, my EduCA is done. If you see, guys, if you see, it changed EDU, like Tutor Connect to EDUCA everywhere, right? So whatever you want to change, this is how you enact that change, right? So you see, I asked it to change it here and everywhere else. So it had why choose Tutor Connect, it's now why choose EDUCA, right? So it's intelligent. It will change it everywhere else too. You see, like this, it built the whole functionality of like choosing tutors, all of that for us. You okay, guys? Are your changes done by the AI? You are still designing, no problems. Yours still working on the change. Okay, yours change done, change complete, perfect. Change done. Is your change done, sir?
Yes.
Change done, change done, change done.
I'm doing more changes.
Oh, okay, okay. Don't do more changes. You need to build the functionality. Guys, all changes done. Assuming you don't want to do more changes, which I please don't want you to do more changes for now, right? We want to click on, guys, focus, focus. I want to now click on build functionality. Build functionality is it's actually going to build the backend for the app, right? So just choose this. I chose, has everyone chosen build functionality? Build functionality, build functionality. Chosen? Chosen? Can you ask the gentleman? Can you ask him as well? They've chosen? Bro, you did build functionality? Build functionality? Good, good, good. Amazing. So it's asking a very important question here. It says, can you give your testing Stripe URL, right? The AI can't know where you want to send money, right? It's very important. You don't want the money to go to Replit also, right? You want the money to come to your bank accounts. So because in my case scenario, I had asked it to use Stripe. So it's basically like asking me, give me your Stripe credentials, right? So you go to stripe.com. We don't have time to like teach that in this class. Go to stripe.com and you need to get these two values, right? And you put them, and wherever the payment gateway is, it will work with Stripe and the money will land into your Stripe account. Actually, very simple, right? Any doubts? When you set up Stripe, you have to add your bank account and all. It's going to charge some 2-3% on each transaction, but that's normal. Do you know how much Stripe charges, Brown? I think 2%. 2 or 3. 2 or 3. I don't know. But no monthly charges. You can choose what to. If you don't want monthly charges, you won't get support. Yes, please.
Worldwide, for example.
Yeah, it works worldwide. So you can take payments from Brazil. You can take payments from India. I know it works in India. But your business has to be like Canadian, right? So, but you can take money from anywhere. So Visa card will work.
You convert, for example, to the Indian money or to
Yeah, no. It will change to Indian rupee on its own, or like whatever Singapore dollar, whatever you have, right? Good, sorted.
Stripe, you use your normal debit credit card on the platform, right?
Then people can pay using their credit card. Yeah.
Stripe is just a platform.
Yep.
Like a bank, or you like keep
It's a payment gateway.
And then payment gateway.
So it will take the money from the customer from your card and then send it to your bank. So it's
it's not actually a bank.
no, it's a think of it of a middleman, because banks are not,
Like InterSwitch.
yeah, banks are not as technologically advanced as Stripe, so they don't give you payment gateways. So you use Stripe, That's how they make money. That's how Stripe makes money. Because facilitating the payment out of your card to your bank account. That's what Stripe does, right? So you go to Stripe, you get these two values, and then your like app gets built out, right? Once you guys are, has anybody's app finished building? Finished building? Finished building? Finished building? Okay, finished building. Yes. Was finished building. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So guys, at this stage, the app is not that good because we're only taking an hour to do it. But like you can iterate on it and try to fix it. I'm just going to skip to the last step. So when you're talking to the AI, you're fixing every small nits and pieces of the app. What you do at the end is you click on this button called publish on the top right. Everybody sees that button? Publish, top right. Yes, we're here. So it's asking you the primary URL for the app, right? So this is where your app will get hosted, how people will be able to access your app, right? So for testing, you can use a replit URL. So it's already saying like repli MVP B Belangier, which is a ground name. You put it, you publish it, people will be able to actually like use the app right at it, right? So you don't need to buy a subdomain. But if you want to buy a domain for yourself, after publishing, it gives you an option to do it, right? So we're gonna like stop the class around this time because like after we're out of time. But after publishing, you'll be able to buy your own domain here, and that's something you can like learn the main module, main course module. But if you have any questions till now, let me know. So today what we've learned is how do you build a software architecture using ChatGPT, then how do you use Replit to build an app that you want, all within 1 to 2 hours, right? That's where we're at. We have 5 minutes for questions. At the end, you publish your app, you can buy your domain, whichever you want to do. It's very simple. Any doubts? Yes.
It always feels intimidating. At least it always feels intimidating.
Yes.
Of course, technology, especially for the baby boomers,
Yes.
is a little challenging. So even though I've been involved in using technology for many years, I still feel that intimidating energy. You know, like you just got to push through.
You have to push through.
You know, yeah.
We're here to help
So
you.
that's what I'm saying.
We want to make Pembina Valley the most technologically advanced place in Canada. That's what we want to do. Pembina Valley should be the most technologically advanced place in Canada. And then the world. We don't stop at Canada. Right? Guys, thank you so much.
But something I noticed here.
Yes.
Some people in Pembina Valley, when they get AI, they are scared.
Yes. So, gentleman says, Jason, gentleman is saying when some people in Pembina Valley hear AI, they get scared. How do we solve that? Scared. They get- Yes.
Technology?
AI.
AI. Show them what it can do.
Show them what it can do.
Develop a website
Yes. Web app.
to sell his beans or whatever he's got.
We had somebody.
Market his crop.
We had somebody come to the first masterclass who was a farmer. And it was
Nice.
like they were really interested.
Yeah.
I'm really like shocked they didn't come again.
There's so many businesses where that it's just a family business.
Correct.
And no one would think that it'd be this easy to do.
Correct.
And so it's a really powerful tool
Yeah.
for people who may be scared of it.
Yeah.
You know, during the Apple, I got some AI products that I display.
Wow.
When some guys just see the AI product, they are so scared.
I think they watched too many movies.
Then I didn't bother to display it anymore. But I don't want to scare them away from my book. Yeah. So, very scared.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, it's gonna get them.